Yo, we are starting off with earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order already. This is going to be a really bad one. This is Starbucks going 8 miles. Thank you. You too. Pretty sure I delivered to this person yesterday. I remember not being pleased with their tip, so lowering expectations already. Yeah, $1 tip. That's nice. Total ended up being just under $8. We've got a stacked Starbucks. This one is going to be going just about 5 miles. Why do I feel like this one's gonna be a lot better than the previous one?
Both of these right here.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, I thought so. Total for that was just under $12. Next order up, we are going to Wendy's for a 3.5 mile order. Of course it's upstairs. Total for that ended up being $6, which isn't amazing, but considering it only took me like 10 minutes to do, I guess that's not that bad. Next up, we've got a stack. Looks like going to the same person. We've got Panera and Black Rock Coffee going just about 6 miles.
Here you go. Have a wonderful day now.
You as well.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total ended up being $11 for that one. Just got the next order. This is gonna be a Starbucks. $7 going just under 3 miles. I don't remember if I've been here before, but I've got an order for a place called 13 Coins, and it's going 5 miles.
Why do you have that camera on? Oh,
Yeah.
dude. I wouldn't get a camera, I'd get a gun.
Right?
Or mace. Because you don't want to kill nobody. Mace.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
You as well. I don't know why they gave me that Coke with a straw in it already. It's gonna look like I was sipping out of it. Total ended up being $11 for that one. Pretty good, I think. I don't think it took that long. Next up, I don't know about this one. Let's do it. Just mix things up a little bit, shall we? This is a pickup for Party City, and it says contains 1 extra large order, backseat space needed for inflated balloons. Let's do it. 7 miles. This is such a bad order already.
Hi, welcome to the party. It's gonna be these two and then this with it.
Thank you.
For you. And that's it. Have a great day.
Oh, it would be windy. Ooh, please don't fly away. doing with my life? There you are. Zero tip on that one, by the way. Total ended up being just under $8. What a waste of time. Love that for me. What is this? This is very garbage. This is even worse. What? I'm not accepting this, I'm sorry. They just tried to give me a grocery order and another party city. That was definitely not gonna fit in my car. Plus it was like 15 miles for both of them. Got a Krispy Kreme going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
You too. I think it's going here. Let me know if you guys have ever gone to a trampoline park before.
Hey, there's something. That's why your hands are all red.
Why do Krispy Kremers not tip? Well, there was a tip on that, but not much. Total ended up being $7 and some change. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for muchas gracias. I believe it said it was going like 5.5 miles. Thank you. You too. That was the very first time I've ever seen people inside that restaurant. That was weird. Ooh, pretty good tip on that one. Total ended up being $11. And we got the next order. This is for muchas gracias, going 8 miles. Jeez. Thank you. For Steven? Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Total ended up being $8 for that one. What is this? A stack going to the same customer. We've got Burgerville and the Human Bean. This one is pretty much guaranteed to be a long wait on both restaurants, but it's only 3 miles, so I guess we're taking it. Oh, that's lame. I was gonna do the coffee first because the burgers, we've got like 6 items on it. It's gonna be a wait, but it turns out the coffee is iced, so we don't want that melting while we wait. Yep. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Total ended up being $12 and some change for that one. And we got the next order right away. This is for Subway going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. $1 tip. Cringe. That's gonna be a $6 order. All right, current time is 11:09. Total, we are at 106. And that's gonna be it for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.